Los Angeles. You know, kind of started, my son bought me a little portable fire oven, and I thought, it's got to be better. If this is good, bigger's got to be better. Went online, started searching the different people who do it, and kind of found your website. Don't even know how, just popped up, and well, the rest is history. You know, the first one I looked at was the large one, and the way you had the gizmo to put the bricks on.
Yep.
Pretty cool, pretty sexy. So I'm an engineer, so I like that type of stuff. And then all the other ones seem to be more commercial. You know, I don't want to say they looked more professional, but they just looked more cookie cutter, out of the box type of stuff. Your videos I thought were fun. They were cool, and you know, I just wanted to kind of do the one I wanted. That was kind of the bottom line. You know, pretty simple. You send an email and you get an invoice, you give a credit card, and that's the end of it. So,
yep.
Welcome to America. Delivery was easy. You know, I think it cost me $100 to have it sent up from Carson or wherever it came from. Well, it's definitely overbuilt, right? I mean, seriously, it took me longer to get into it than it did to unload it, really. At the end of the day, everything was fine. We didn't have any damage, so that's important. I love it. I mean, I think that, first of all, I don't have anything to compare it to, but from like I say, I'm an engineer, so I kind of look for certain things, and everything seemed to be very well done. You know, this is our first firing, so I'm all giddy now, so I think it's going to be great. And, you know, I mean, at the end of the day, I think you guys did a great job. Well, once we figured out the time distance, you get into work about 2:30 in our afternoon, so you know, I would either call or send an email around that time, and you were good. You got right back to me, which again goes back to what made me comfortable about you. I wouldn't have done it, in all honesty. I wouldn't have bought something from Australia if you hadn't gotten back to me instantly on almost everything. So, but you know, I mean, we did have some questions. I think we probably had a total of 3 of them we contacted you with, and you know, you answered them right away and said, no, don't worry about it, or yeah, do it this way, and that was it. Well, definitely look at your stuff. I mean, for sure. You know, I'm not going to be the guy that, first of all, I don't know enough about these things at all, but I would at least say, you know, give them a shot, and this is what I would recommend. The best feedback is to say, just keep doing what you're doing, because it really works. I mean, everything that I got, I was very happy with.